You want to know if you are now, right now, building a life for nakedness? All you have to do is see whether or not you are obeying this command. Notice what it says in verse 15. Study to show thyself approved unto God. The devil knows that if he can get you, if he can lead you to neglect prayer and the searching of scriptures, you will be overcome by his attacks. He knows it. He knows that if he can get you to neglect prayer and the searching of scriptures, you will be overcome by his attacks. Therefore, he invents every possible device to engross your mind. Look at the devices that are engrossing our minds.